You are wonderful representatives of GSU. We join you in welcoming Dr. Maimon. Like you, we look forward to the impact that she is surely going to have, not only at Governor State, but in higher education throughout all of Illinois. I get the sense of what to expect. If you want to get a little bit of the sense of what to expect, I'd like to introduce Dr. Carol Geary-Schneider, President of the Association of American Colleges and Universities, who is familiar with the contributions of Dr. Maimon and all of the contributions that she's made in higher education. Ms. Schneider.
Good morning, members of the Governor State University community, distinguished guests, and Dr. Maimon. It's a huge privilege to speak today on behalf of the entire higher education community. We congratulate Governor State University on an inspired choice of Elaine Maimon as your new president. But it's also a personal pleasure for me to join in this celebration because Elaine has been both a good friend and a wonderful colleague and mentor to me over more than 20 years. The friendship we share is grounded in a commitment we both hold to the lives, to the hopes, and also to the needs of first-generation college students, the very students who are central to the particular mission of this university. Both of us were privileged to receive the very best education that American society offers its young. And both of us have shared ever since a strong interest in discovering ways to extend the benefits of a truly great education to the ever larger numbers of students in higher education and, of course, on this campus. Now, this commitment led Elaine Maimon at a very young age to become what we call one of the founding mothers of the Writing Across the Curriculum movement, one of the most influential movements that has touched American higher education in the last 2 decades. By the early 1980s, when she and I first met, she was already nationally known for her success in teaching novice students to become capable writers and in beginning to change the way faculty members themselves approach their work in the writing-intensive course and classroom. That leadership and her fame is what led me to reach out to her, and I was amazed by the generosity and the enthusiasm with which she responded. From her position at the time, she was then at what is now called Arcadia University, and then she moved on to Brown University, and from my own role at the University of Chicago, we worked together with others to involve literally thousands of young faculty across many disciplines and institutions in discovering ways to offer the best possible education to our diverse students. Now, it was clear even then that Elaine Maimon possessed all the qualities of a great university leader: a strong sense of mission and purpose, the ability, as you've already heard, to listen and to learn from the wealth of perspectives different from her own. She had keen political savvy and the drive and skill to turn a collaboratively shared vision into plans, effective action, and demonstrated results. Today, of course, she joins the Governor State University as a tested and seasoned leader, one who has very successfully led 2 other public universities with missions similar to your own, Arizona State University West and the University of Alaska at Anchorage. In both these roles, she has faced all the complexities that every president confronts: the challenge of balancing a very long list of often conflicting interests, both on campus and in the relations of the university with its publics. She knows very well that she's taking on a challenging job as your president. But as all the greetings she's already received today make clear, she brings to those challenges the zest, the passion, the creativity, and yes, the budget-minded detail that have been her greatest assets throughout a distinguished career. But what I most want you to know today is that Elaine brings with her to this presidency the heart and soul of a great teacher. She will confront every issue before her with just one question in mind: how will her decisions and yours as a community affect the best educational interests of the students? As she takes the helm, I wish for her and the Governor State University community every possible educational success. But more than that, I express to you my confidence that you have chosen the best possible leader for this vibrant and growing institution. Elaine, I offer you my warmest congratulations, and you, of course, know that the Association of American Colleges and Universities, which I lead, will be a constant resource for you and your colleagues as you chart together an ambitious and a visionary course for this university.